At a 2-cent bet, so the mini's 20 bucks. I'll take it. Now I need to hit that major, $1,000. Come on, drop it. Another 20 bucks. Come on. One major. Or one heart at a time. Come on, hit it.
But you know, you're only betting 50 cents.
$1.
Oh, you're betting $1.
2 cents.
Oh, okay.
I'll take it.
It's better than I've done.
Better than nothing. One more. Hit one more. Come on, game. Not bad. Almost $100.